Hey there, how's it going everybody? In this video, we want to talk about how to calculate the inverse of a matrix in Python programming language. So this is an example, a 3 by 3 matrix, which you want to calculate the inverse of this matrix. So here we have imported Numpy package as NP, and here we have defined the matrix A. And remember, if you don't know about the matrix definition in Python, you should check my previous videos, which there is a link in the description below and also a link in the top right corner of this screen, which we have taught how to define matrices in Python programming language. So we have defined matrix A. After that, in order to calculate the inverse of this matrix, we say print and we put some spaces for more readability, and then we say np.linear algebra. I mean, we are using the linear algebra section of this Numpy package, and we say dot and we say inv, which stands for inverse. I mean, we are using the inverse command from linear algebra section of this Numpy package, and we pass the matrix A through this command. And if we run the code, you can see that here's our matrix, here's our inverse of this matrix A. But remember, if the matrix is, for example, like this, 1 2 3 and 4, because the matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, because the matrix is a singular matrix and the inverse for singular matrices are not defined, we will get an error because you can see that it is a singular matrix.
Clicking on the like button really helps out the channel with the YouTube algorithm, so I would really appreciate it if you did.